Today, we're tackling a common Netflix dilemma: how to sign out of your account on all devices. Whether you're sharing your account with family or you suspect unauthorized access, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started! Alright, to begin, open the Netflix app on your phone. Choose your profile. On the next page, you'll see your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. On the top right corner, tap on the 3 horizontal lines. New pop-up window will show up at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Account from the options that appear. Scroll down until you find the Security and Privacy section. You should see an option labeled Sign Out of All Devices. Tap on that. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Sign Out to proceed. And that's it! You've successfully signed out of your Netflix account on all devices. Keep in mind that it might take a few minutes for the changes to take effect. Thanks for watching! If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.